Mike standing by to take any reports of severe weather currently in Litchfield County. And we have a tornado warning in effect for southern Litchfield. KD1LD standing by.
As you can see, we have a tornado warning for Litchfield County until 4:30 p.m. SKYWARN net is running and operational. It says here the hail size is 3 inches in diameter. And integrated liquid is density is 5.
KD1AEV repeater, PL77.
And the movement is 300 at 25 knots.
K1 SJW, K1 SJW, this is KD1LD.
Go ahead, K1WPM, this is K1 SKYWARN mobile.
Hey Steve, sorry about that. Actually, I didn't copy down anything except for the fact that Sharon was having some, was getting hit hard in Cornwall, had some large trees down in the Cornwall Bridge area. Can you give me that report again?
Anything on Route 7 in Cornwall, near the Cornwall Bridge.
1 Lima Tango Lima report.
1 Lima Tango Lima, go ahead.
Just came across LCD up in Sharon, Fairview Drive, 8-1. Possible touchdown of tornado. And on Main Street.
Possible tornado touchdown on Main Street.
Roger, thank you very much. KA1LCL, this is KA1WPM. KA1TCH, are you there?
Hail size now 3 inches. Correction, 3.25 inch hail. Hail 3.25.
Yeah, this is K1TCH.
Al, thanks. Can you take over a few minutes? I'm going to get on the horn with National Weather Service.
Fine, go ahead, Dan, appreciate it. I'll cover here for a bit. Thank you. This is K1TCH for Litchfield County SKYWARN. We actively have a tornado warning as well as a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Litchfield County. We're standing by to take any reports of damage or comfort.
I'm changing frequencies.
But appreciate that. If you have anything, let me know. K1PAI.
K1PAI, KD1LD.
KD1LD Voluntown. Go ahead, Jim.
Yes, I was on the other repeater and they're talking about a possible tornado touchdown around Main Street, Litchfield. Just hearsay at this time. It's coming through the State Police scanner, Troop L, I think.
Get all sorts of reports, but let's say it's an unconfirmed touchdown in the center of Litchfield. Anything else, Jim?
Hail size 3.25. KD1LD clear.
D1LD, K1PAI, Hartford, Talwin County, SKYWARN, continuing to monitor 7-9. H4, Litchfield County, SKYWARN. K1PCH, K1PCH, K1SJW mobile. This is K1
dispatch, but it sounds like there's a lot of issues going on up in Sharon and Cornwall. I know that you heard a report that came from the fire frequency, but that's not confirmed in regard to a tornado touchdown in Sharon. But they do have numerous reports of trees and wires down in both in Sharon and some in Cornwall. They're looking for other surrounding departments to assist them with mutual aid up there. I just want to keep you aware of what's going on. K1SJW, back to you.
Very good. Yeah, we heard, well, you obviously heard that report, so we'll leave it at that, but we're standing by here. Dana's online with the NWS providing some of that information on. So there's a little detail here. They said the tornado would be near the Litchfield Green by 3:45 p.m. and Thomaston by 3:55 p.m. and Oakville by 4 p.m. So we'll stand by, but it seems like it's making its way out of Litchfield County at this point.
All right, very good. Nothing of criteria to report here in Winston. Actually, I just spun around. I had gotten a call from my wife. When she heard the warning announced, she got nervous, so I'm heading back home at the moment. KD1SLN message.
KD1SLN, go ahead. This is K1TCH.
Currently mobile in Harlingen. Extremely heavy rain, ponding on the roadways, and the wind gusts are picking up. I would say 20 to 30 miles per hour right now, roughly near the center of Harlingen.
Okay, very good, and be advised there is a tornado warning currently in effect, and the cell that's producing that warning is heading kind of southeast of Litchfield towards Thomaston, so it should be. WPM, are you available? I'm having a power outage here. This is K1TCH. I don't know if you're available to pick back up. I'm having power issues here. I gotta take care of, see what's going on here. We lost it 3 times already, and we just had a little bigger bite.
KD1SLN. I'm right in the center of Harlingen now on Route 4. Very, very heavy rain. Lots of standing water on the roadways. Visibility down almost only about a car length. And winds are really, really picking up. I would say gusting 35, 40, even higher now. We got hail.
tail. Winds are really picking up. Right now I'm at Route 4.